Today we're going to use one of Scavenger's total oil change systems on our Evolution Harley-Davidson. The first step is to completely drain the oil tank and refill it with fresh oil. Then you remove the oil filter and lube the gasket on the Scavenger, and then you screw it on and tighten it about 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn. And you try and leave one of the outside holes close to the bottom. Then install the hose barb fitting to the bottom hole, and you install the plug in the opposite hole on the top, and you leave the centre hole open. Then you install the hose and secure it with the clips applied, and we place the end of the hose in a jug which is capable of holding a little over 1 litre of oil. Make sure your oil tank's full of oil and then start the bike. You'll notice that a lot of black oil is pumped out into the container. Once the oil changes colour and you can see the clean oil coming, you can turn the bike off. And it's approximately a little over 1 litre of oil that will come out. If we didn't use a Scavenger total oil change system, that litre of dirty oil would still be in the engine once we've completed the oil change. That's how easy it is to use a Scavenger total oil change system on a Harley-Davidson dyno.